Premier Water and Sewer Services. We're doing our post liner and post basement breakup lateral inspection at 4036 San Fernando. We're going from a 2-inch PVC clean out here all the way on the back of the basement so we can do everything in one video. We pushed out to the main connection. Continuing back, this is the liner portion running through the Duckett Creek sanitary program. So there's our liner right at the main, covering the last joint. Continuing back. We pull back in underneath the house. There's our connection to PVC. Here's the start of the liner. Pulling up a drop. So there's the top of our drop. On the left hand side there we have a Y connection. That's for toilet and a vanity here in the basement and a vent. On top there it's tying in our shower rough-in the basement. Continuing back in 4-inch PVC. Right there on top we have a 4-inch stack tying in. That's the main stack here in the basement. And we transition from 4-inch PVC to 3-inch PVC. Bringing 3-inch PVC back through a 45. And another 45. And then we did put a new floor drain in, which is right there. That's a Y connection for the new floor drain. And going back into our Y connection for the kitchen line. Upstream of that goes to the laundry connection. So back through another 45 and back through the existing PVC kitchen line. And out of our stack there. That'll conclude the video.